There we go. Okay, let's check them out. See where ours are at. Oh, through the powder, nice. You get whipped? Here they are. Where's yours, Finn? You don't know? Holy cow, look how... I don't know.
Probably in that pile.
Probably there in this mess.
Yeah.
Did we write our name on it?
Yeah. Hey, that's it.
Where?
Right there. The blue one. Where? Hold on.
I don't see a blue one.
Here, can I take my skis off?
Sure. Let's see.
Where? Come on. Look. Oh yeah, that is mine.
What one? The one I had touched?
Yeah. I told you. I see the apple tree. Is the Patagonia right there? Is there red on that? No, Dad.
Oh.
Is there red? Is there red? Do you see red right there? The old Snow Basin logo? Dad, we should come back.